my door right now. Do you see this? Oh my god. Holy crap, man. There's a bear. This is my house right here. Woo. I'm like shaking right now. Look at the bear. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. I don't know what to... Oh man. What did he find? He found... Oh my god. This is unreal right now. What? Oh man. I'm sure making a mess. What? What's he trying to eat? Holy crap, dude. Ah, this is so exciting. I don't think this is scary. Look at it. Oh my god. Are you serious? Don't eat that. That's freaking... That's not grass. Found something in that tinfoil. I don't know what it is. Oh my god, look at the beer! Hi! Hello! Hi! Holy crap. Yo, what are you doing? Yep, that's water. Oh my god, this bear is literally less than a foot away from me, even though I'm inside. It's crazy. Hi, Mr. Bear. Oh my god, dude. Yo. What are you doing? Are you gonna climb that tree? Oh my god. Okay, that was the coolest thing ever. Ah! Yay, bear.